Tork Multifold Hand Towel Natural H2 Universal 100% Recycled Fibers 16 by 250 sheets. The Tork Universal Multifold Hand Towels are a popular and eco-friendly type of paper towel that is designed for use in high-volume restrooms. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits. The towels are made from 100% recycled fibers, making them an eco-friendly choice. The towels are embossed, which enhances hand feel and maximum performance. The towels are suitable for use in medium traffic washrooms and fit small spaces. The towels are available in a small pack size, which is especially suitable for smaller establishments. Negatives. Some users have reported that the towels can be relatively thin and may not be suitable for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Some users have reported that the towels can be difficult to separate from each other. Overall, the Tork Universal Multifold Hand Towels are a great choice for those who want an eco-friendly and versatile type of paper towel that is suitable for use in high-volume restrooms. Price: $29.36.